So how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? The high temperature on Monday was X. So let's write this down. So Monday, we got X. Now, on Tuesday, the high temperature was 84 Fahrenheit, which was 5% increase from Monday's. So therefore, Tuesday, we got 84, and Monday, we have 80. Now, on Wednesday, the high temperature was 10% lower than it was on Monday. So on Wednesday, we got 72. How much lower was the high temperature on Wednesday than the high temperature on Monday? And the answer is F. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So let's split it up. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday, we know the temperature is X, and we're going to be using different color codes. So Monday, we got X Fahrenheit. Now, on a Tuesday, they give to us the actual temperature. So on Tuesday, it is 84 Fahrenheit. So Tuesday, it is 84 Fahrenheit, which was 5% increase from Monday. And that's important. So now let's figure out Monday then, right? So since 84 degrees is a 5% increase from Monday, so therefore that is 105%, right? So the month, that's the Tuesday, this is Tuesday. Okay, now the Monday temperature is going to be X, which actually it is X, right? Now, but that is equal to 100 degrees. So now that is the proportion we need to solve out. So essentially we get 84 over X is equal to 105 over 100. Now, if you simplify the 105 and 100 by 5, you're going to get 84 over X is equal to 21 over 20. Now, for us to keep solving for X, let's do this cross multiplication. So we got 21x is equal to 84 times 20. Do not multiply 84 times 20 yet. So now x is equal to 84 times 20 over 21. Cancel this out into the 4. You get 80 degrees. So x is equal to 80 degrees. Now, in the fast solution, I awfully rapidly figured out that it's 80 degrees. How did I know? Well, I just kind of do this stuff in my head, right? So I kind of, what is 5%? 5% is 1/20th. Right? So what I did, I'm like, okay, so 84, right? Like degrees, right? So kind of like divide this by 20, you roughly getting 4, and 4 will be that 5%. So I'm subtracting that 4, I'm getting 80. So that's how I did that, right? In my case. So let me erase this all. So far we're done with figuring out the Monday situation. Now the question will be about Wednesday. So give me a second. A lot of stuff to erase. Okay. All right. Now on Wednesday, let's change the color. On Wednesday, the high temperature was 10% lower. So let's write down Wednesday, right? So it was 10% lower than it was on Monday. So therefore, now Monday, with our 80 degrees, that is equal to 100%. Now Wednesday, we don't know what it is. Let's call it Y, right? Not X, so we're not confused. Now that is equal to 90%. Now we have to solve that proportion. So 80 divided by y is equal to 100 over 90. All right, so cancel the 0. So therefore we got 80 over y is equal to 10 over 9. Multiply. So we get 10y is equal to 80 times 9. Do not multiply, right? So let's just divide by 10. Right, so we're going to get y is equal to, now cancel the zeros, and now we can just do 8 times 9, which is 72. Now, I did it also awfully fast. How did I awfully fast? Well, I know that 80 is 100%, so I'm just multiplying this by 0.9, right? So what I've done is 80 degrees multiplied by 0.9. Why 0.9? Because that's 90%. I did that fast, rapidly in my head, so that's 72 degrees. Now the final question, how much lower was the high temperature on Wednesday than the high temperature on Monday? I should change color because like it's too many colors. So like the final question, how much lower was the high temperature on Wednesday than the high temperature on Monday? So high temperature on Monday was 80, high temperature on Wednesday was 72. So it's simply 80 degrees minus 72 degrees. You get 8 degrees. The answer is F. That's it.